Let's address the frustrating issue of your Garmin watch not pairing with your phone. Garmin watches primarily use Bluetooth Low Energy for pairing, but software glitches, outdated firmware, or simple user errors can disrupt this connection. Garmin watches primarily use Bluetooth Low Energy for pairing, but software glitches, outdated firmware, or simple user errors can disrupt this connection. Software glitches can cause pairing failures. Outdated firmware creates compatibility issues. Simple user errors can prevent proper pairing. Bluetooth version incompatibilities between watch and phone can cause issues. Interference from other devices disrupts the Bluetooth connection. We'll explore the core reasons why this happens and provide targeted solutions. Issues can arise from compatibility problems between your watch's Bluetooth version and your phone, or interference from other devices. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, perform these quick checks. First, ensure both your Garmin watch and phone are powered on and have sufficient battery life above 20%. Confirm Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that airplane mode is turned off. Make sure your devices are within 10 meters of each other during the pairing process. These simple steps can often resolve basic connectivity problems. Start by restarting both your Garmin watch and smartphone. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection and can resolve temporary glitches. Next, clear the cache of the Garmin Connect app on your phone. This removes temporary files that could be interfering with the pairing process. Then, use the Forget Device option in your phone's Bluetooth settings for your Garmin watch and reinitiate the pairing process through the Garmin Connect app. These steps reset the Bluetooth connection and address common software glitches. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, focus on app permissions and software updates. Start by checking that the Garmin Connect app has all necessary permissions on your phone. In your phone settings, locate the Garmin Connect app and ensure it has Bluetooth permission enabled. Also, enable location permission, which allows the app to connect properly. Finally, enable local network access, especially important for iOS devices. Next, ensure both your Garmin Connect app and watch firmware are up to date. Outdated software can cause pairing conflicts. First, check for and install any available updates for the Garmin Connect app. Then, update your Garmin watch's firmware through the app or Garmin website. These recent updates have significantly reduced pairing failures, according to user reports. The Garmin Connect app now includes an AI-powered troubleshooter designed to automate diagnostics and fix pairing issues. Access this tool within the app settings or support section. The troubleshooter guides you through various steps and automatically applies fixes for common problems, resolving a significant percentage of issues without manual intervention. This feature is constantly improving based on user feedback and new problem identification. Bluetooth interference from other devices can hinder pairing. Nearby Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers can create signal conflicts. To resolve this, turn off other Bluetooth devices nearby during the pairing process. If you have multiple Garmin devices, they might interfere with each other during pairing. Temporarily disable Bluetooth on other Garmin devices to see if it resolves the pairing issue with the target watch. Some watches use multi-protocol connectivity, combining Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi, which can also cause interference. If all other troubleshooting steps have failed, a factory reset of your Garmin watch may be necessary as a last resort. Be aware that performing a factory reset will erase all data on your watch, so back up any important information first. Refer to your Garmin watch's user manual for specific instructions on how to perform a factory reset. If the pairing problem continues even after the factory reset, contact Garmin support through their official website or mobile app. When contacting support, provide detailed information about the issue you've encountered and the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Looking ahead, Garmin is working towards seamless integration with reduced pairing failures. Future watches may adopt eSIM technology for direct cellular pairing, eliminating Bluetooth reliance. AI-driven auto pairing is also in development. Stay updated with Garmin's firmware releases and user guides to leverage the latest improvements. As technology evolves, cybersecurity measures like secure pairing protocols will also become crucial for maintaining stable connections.